Hi everyone, Michael Tiny Saul. It's 2:08 a.m. on April 26th. This is Forex Analysis for April 26, 2011. Just going to go through these. If there's no setup, I'm going to say we're going to wait. The Euro, no setup, we're going to wait. The Aussie, looks like it wants to retrace into this tall white candle, but I'm giving it one more session because of the way it looks on the intraday chart here. So I'm going to give this, we're going to wait and see another session on that. Here's the yen watching this lower Keltner channel line. Here's the Swiss, could be in a small double bottom here. And if confirmed, the target would be up here at the midline. But once again, I'm going to wait one more session. Loonie, looks like the moving average could be potential resistance. There's no trigger. Here is the Euro pound cross using an entry of 88.07 on the, I apologize, using an entry of 88.53 on the upside with an 87.93 stop, or 87.93 entry with an 88.53 stop. So using 60 ticks on this, 28 pips move stops to break even. First target is this high up here if it breaks to the upside, this low down here if it breaks to the downside, and then the Keltner channel lines are the next target. Okay, this is about as consolidated as you want to see because it's sitting right here on the moving average. So just wait for a break one way or the other. Nothing's saying that the break's going to stick, but you can't just give it like a 5-pip move to move stops. That's ridiculous. So it's got to be 28 pips and then move stops. But still a nice tight risk. Nothing here on the Euro Swiss. Euro Aussie did not trigger. Okay, that was the entry with the stop. It hit the stop first, not the entry first. So this one, no harm, no foul, and it is now canceled, but may set up later in the week because this may turn into something different here. But no trigger on that one. Here's the Euro Kiwi, no trigger. Here's the pound, waiting for consolidation on this one. Okay, here's the pound New Zealand. Okay, the pound Kiwi. So we can watch this one for potential trade here. You can see the low is 553, and it triggered below that by a couple of ticks, but that's okay because if it re-triggers and takes out 552, looking for 552, that would be the entry. Okay, so 552 on the downside for this one with a stop above the highs. Okay, you want to do above the highs here, and the high is 660. Okay, didn't quite get there. So that's what we're looking for on this one, and by the time you watch this video, if it's already triggered, just let it go. Okay, it already triggered once, but if it triggers again, then there's no reason why you can't take a little second mouse gets the cheese kind of move on that one. Okay, so watching that one. Euro yen, wait and see mode. Swiss yen, nothing. Aussie yen, looking for this to go higher instead it went lower. That's fine. No harm, no foul. These were all wait and sees. Pound yen, nothing. Pound Swiss could be setting up for a nice dynamic break out of this consolidation. See how it trades on Tuesday. No trigger on that. Aussie Swiss, no trigger. Kiwi Swiss came out the downside, but it happened on Monday, and I was given this Monday to another day to set up. So just pass on this one. That's fine. Here is the Loonie Swiss, nothing, and here is the Kiwi Loonie, nothing there. So a couple to watch, and that's it. Have a great trading day on Tuesday. I think there'll be some nice setups on Wednesday, especially I'm going to be watching this Aussie very closely, but I'll update that in tomorrow's update. Have a great trading day on Tuesday.